The Sash Window Workshop specialises in replacing and repairing traditional timber windows and doors. We are regularly contacted by homeowners with windows and doors that are inappropriate for their period property, who are looking to replace them with traditional timber windows and doors in order to improve the appearance and value of their period home. We received such an inquiry from a couple who own an early Edwardian home in Berkshire. Unfortunately, 20 years earlier, the previous owner had decided to install cheap plastic windows at the property, destroying the character of their home. On receiving the inquiry, we arranged for one of our experienced sales surveyors to meet them and offer advice on what their windows should look like in order to match the period of the property. The couple were happy with the advice and the quotation provided, so decided to proceed with the work. In addition to replacing their 19 sash windows, we also replaced a French door and carried out work to their front door. By installing high-quality traditional timber windows and doors, we helped the couple restore their home to its former glory. After the work was completed, the couple commented that they were delighted with the results. They now love living with their new windows and door, which are also double glazed to improve thermal efficiency. This has not only meant that their home is more comfortable and nicer to live in, but has also significantly increased its value.